If you can write, you can draw.
Hello and welcome to If You Can Write, You Can Draw. Today we're gonna learn how to draw Gwen from Spider-Man using the letter brush, the letter V. Also by drawing a simple line like that and the letter U. Okay, here we go. We are going to start with the letter. Actually, we need another letter. The letter L. Let's start with the letter V. Widespread V, right? Another V right there. And then we're gonna do an L right here and another L right there. Another V. Now, line. Or perhaps an L, right? An L, another L. Let's do a U. A line here. V for the eye. V. 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 We're gonna draw the lines.
Sorry for the background noise.
Yeah. But by now, you heard it so many times, you are used to it. The U. You see that U right there? U, 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 U. U, 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 U. And I'm running out of space, so a little V, we're just going to do it here. V, a big V, and another V. Oop, like that. Now, let's add a few colors so the drawing makes more sense. We can put it right here. Another one right here.
Write, you can draw. You're a child of God, full of glee with every skit. Set your spirit free.
And then let's do black.
Let your imagination
Color black.
soar in every drawing, find joy galore.
For right there. And we might add some shade.
Let's make some art, let's explore with colors bright and lines so free. You'll see the world in harmony if you can.
Just to make the illustration a little bit more three-dimensional. And well, maybe one more right there. Whoa. There you have it. Gwen from Spider-Man. Now for the favorite part that you guys all been waiting for. V, which was used. V, V. You see? If you can write, you can draw. It is true, I'm telling you. V, 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 V. Let's go with simple line, 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 line. That was another V actually right here. U, which was used right here. And then let's go with L, which was right there. L, 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 L. Let's see now. Boop, 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 boop. Wait, what? You wanna tell us something? What could it be? I have no idea. I think she wants to tell us something. I've been here before. No need to panic. Excuse me. Wait, so, where was I? Yeah. Okay. Gwen, you wanna to tell us something? I have a feeling of what it is, but let me see. Oh, what? Oh, that if you can draw, you... Wrong. Gwen, please. You just confused me. If you can... That's right. If you can... My wife is next to me. Oh, sorry, my daughter is next to me, showing me emotional support. You wanna say hi? Yeah, so there she is. If you can write, you can draw. Thank you, everyone, for watching this. And the secret word is if you know what this means, you can write on the comment. Perfecto. Thank you, and God bless.